Your Bosch dishwasher completely dead? No lights? Here's the shocking truth about why. When your dishwasher shows no lights and won't respond to any buttons, most people think it's a power problem. But here's what we discovered after proper diagnosis. The real culprit. A faulty main control board. This board controls communication between all the dishwasher's components. When it fails, your dishwasher appears completely lifeless. No lights, no display, nothing. Control boards can fail from power surges, moisture damage, or simply wear over time. The good news? It is completely repairable. Don't waste money replacing a dishwasher that just needs the right diagnosis. ISB Electrical has over 35 years of experience on the Gold Coast. Call 0422 993 7737 for fast, professional Bosch dishwasher repairs.